Find out.
What kind of car do you have again, John?
It's a Scion FRS.
Gas is closing on your position. Suggest you get moving.
Is that that one? Looks like a Subaru BRZ.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
They're nearly identical.
Right.
I just looked at the FRS. Ooh, it's a
Stronghold!
baby.
Oh, that's huge. I'm gonna land far then. I don't see anybody landing here.
It is. It's a color sweet.
What got you into cars, John?
Kind of my dad. He would
Oh, your
change
dad's into
the
cars?
oil on my mom's car. He was never like nearly into it as much as I am now. But when I would help him change my mom's oil, I just became fascinated with it. I just thought it was really cool.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
Dude,
I guess
John-
that's
Turned into like an
I
obsession.
guess that's what it means by it's like in your blood. Because my dad would do oil brakes on stuff, I'd help. I'd be like, I hate this.
John, how did you end
Yeah,
up so
I still
normal and
do
your
it.
brother is so weird still?
See,
Oh, I know. That's the question we all want to ask.
truthfully, without sounding harsh,
Hey, Cav here.
I love my brother to death. But I truthfully think it's because he allowed my mom to baby him.
Oh, that's fair.
And still to this day, I mean, she does a lot. And my parents do. I mean, they're parents, you know, they're loving parents, so they.
Oh, we got a safe cracker in here, guys.
Safe cracker here too.
I'm gonna loot this gas and come right back. I'm not gonna loot anything else.
I'm gonna get up on the roof and try and watch around.
Dude, this is sick. My controller's fixed, baby.
Dude,
I
if Matt
s-
did what he does now and had a family, I'd be like concerned for him. The only thing I'm concerned for him now is what he does for money. Like, dude, what about retiring one day? You know, like.
Oh, I know,
Yeah.
dude.
He is
There's
not
no
worried about it.
security in this, dude.
Nope. Oh yeah, they're fighting up there. Yeah, it's like if I were him, the amount of money he's making, if you would put away like 25K every single year, or 50K every single year, I mean, he made so much money. If you would put away 50K of that every year, you could actually bolster a retirement account in like 10 years. That the way he lives, he could live off of.
He's constantly saying like, oh, I just reinvest everything in tickets. I get more money. I get more of a return out of tickets. But I'm like, dude, one false like thing with like entertainment industry.
Harry
it
Styles
just,
almost screwed
like,
him over. The whole like Harry tour delay, and he's like, "Oh, I had to open a new credit card to pay rent." Like there was a period in time where I legitimately thought like he was gonna be like, "Hey, can I borrow some money to pay rent?" And I was gonna be like, "Okay." But no, instead it was, "Hey, do you want to go halvesies on tickets? Because I can't buy as many if I buy them outright."
Oh, man,
Which I can't say anything because he did make me like 3K. So.
But plus all this drama now with the Taylor Swift stuff.
Yep.
And now lawyers are getting involved to like sue Ticketmaster to make it less of a monopoly. Might screw him over.
Yeah.
Stronghold time, baby.
Let's do it.
Damn it.
Oh,
Let's do it, shotty.
at least there's a buy here.
Yep.
Ooh, a stronghold and a buy. I'm free.
We're not gonna be able to buy a loadout though, because loadouts are stupid. They're what do we
that's
say?
pretty
8K a
low.
person,
Yeah,
so they're
that's ridiculous.
$24,000. I don't think we're gonna have that kind of money.
Yeah.
We'll have a loadout though.
Huh?
Don't we get a loadout from this? The
No, it's not a
stronghold?
stronghold. It's not one.
Oh. I thought that's why we got. Oh, that's right. There's no
They're not always
None of the
strongholds.
bots are here, huh?
Yeah.
Alright.
They're doing their safe cracker next to us.
Yeah, I just heard it.
They just got out. I just got a hit marker with my Betty I put in there.
Do we want to try and get up on the roof again? I'm about to get on the roof.
I'm back on it.
Advise you move to the safe zone now.
Did we finish looting everything, or are we just calling it good?
It's
I don't
looted.
think we did.
I
Oh, there's
looted the whole top.
one out in the
bottom's all looted.
one out in the green grass area.
Oh yeah, crossing the.
Right here.
Down.
UAV on station.
Oh, Oh, he's closer to me. I'll get him.
That guy's down behind us.
This guy's right here. I'm not gonna push solo. I'm gonna wait for
Coming over
someone.
there.
Interrogating.
He's that guy down. He's to the right. He's going to the water.
To be marked.
Activating EMP.
He's broken. Or not broken. He was weak. Yeah.
Go, boy.
Precision on us from another team across the bay. I'm swimming away. We probably should take the car and get out of here, right?
Oh my god, these guys are shitting on me.
Do we want to take the car?
Yeah, I'm down.
Hit one. Oh, they're running away. I hit two.
Another car coming towards us right now.
Yeah, this is an armored car. They're coming for the buy.
Oh my god, they have two cars.
Another precision over there.
3 armored cars?
Oh my.
Let's take the car. Let's just take the car and get out of here. Let's just take the car and go somewhere else.
I'm down.
Jesus.
I'm going out the front door and going around to get the armored car on the other side.
Okay, I'm right behind you. It has 3 cars. Those guys are gonna be assholes.
Someone ping me where we're going. Do you want me to cross this bridge right here next to him or what?
Honestly, let's go over here. Let's go like far. Like so far. Oh, you're a madman. Yeah, take this road all the way until you get to the main bridge, and then turn to your right, and just take that all the way.
Alright.
Hostile UAV in the area.
There you go. It should work now.
Yeah, just take this all the way.
Oh, you're welcome to somebody else.
Wonder what kind of gas mileage this gets. Uh oh, Maddie just. Oh no.
Don't open it. Don't open it.
Yep.
We gotta at least get one more game in without him.
I can't do what I did last night or yesterday again.
Dude, he gives me high blood pressure.
I told John that I saved the
don't-
video.
there was a game I played with last night and he didn't get over 1,000 damage.
I told John I saved the game that we ended up winning after you got off, or after you switched to multi. And there was a period of time where John and I were in a building. We were all 3 in a building, and we literally got pushed by a team, and John and I are fighting this team, and Maddie does not move out of his corner.
Yep.
Literally, we had one down, and we were shooting the other, and Maddie is sitting on the opposite side of the building from us. It's just like, I don't understand the thought process behind that.
Bro, that one game where Kevin was spectating the whole time. And
Oh,
he
yeah.
got more damage than Maddie.
Yes.
No, the game that made me most irritated there is just when it was me, you, and Maddie, and then John pushed the team up on the hill over at Rohan Oil. Remember that game?
Oh, yeah.
Like second, third place. And that dude, you shot him. He was weak, and he, and they both jumped over that fence right there. And he finished the one that you shot already, and then started reloading his gun immediately. I'm playing him, so I just got drilled, and I'm watching this guy looking at both of us, and I just do not shoot. Like, I'm reloading. I'm like, bro. If you don't have a gun in quad that can score the one half of a guy without reloading, you need a different gun. Stop
Yeah.
both of those guys jump over that wall, dude. Like, you know you
At
have
that
to
pink
shoot
turn
both
left.
fucking guys.
Yeah, I don't
I
know.
seriously
He's
had to
just
play it
very
cold.
flexible.
Enemy squad is tracking your position.
Oh, we have loadouts coming right up. If you want to just wait.
UAV overhead.
Yep.
Loadout drop on the way. Flag site secure.
Oh, it's right next to us.
Oh, right. Oh.
And then I'm going to take a roof over there. Let me get loadout and take a roof.
Yep.
Yeah.
Ping me a building that you want.
Well, I was just going to go with the one over here.
Dude, this one right here.
Oh.
You can watch the load. Seriously. Oh, Aries, I fixed my glasses. You know how I was buying guns and they weren't buying the right guns?
Oh yeah, what happened?
You need to make sure you have all 10 loadouts
Your team
made.
made it to the
So I only
safe
had
zone.
5 loadouts, so it brought all
Oh.
my guns down to 5 spaces, but I guess the game's glitched so where you can't do that.
How do we get up? Is there another outside
I
door?
don't know.
I don't know.
Can we
Is
not
there
get
a
up
ladder
on
on the
that
back?
one?
There's got to be a door somewhere that's outside.
Oh, ladder right
Ladder.
There's still got to be another door, right? Oh yeah, there's a side.
here. We'll find out when we get up top.
John's got nice cheeks.
Found it. I blocked it with the car.
I have a UAV, by the way.
Yeah, the doorway's right here. I'll put a claymore
I
on
don't
the
know.
doorway.
This one's kind of nice too.
I'm putting a Betty on this too because I can, because I have found it. Oh my god, there's so much. Oh, there's an orange box in here. Oh, it has a self-revive for John.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
I
have
need
no
to
ammo.
find.
This is
I
not
need to
good.
find more plates. Here, John.
Yeah. I just can't get over this ADS with this RPK.
Yeah, dude, you're not trying to gunfight with that. That's what the pistols are for.
So bad.
I think my RPK doesn't have that bad of ADS.
Mine's
Compared
not
to the M4
fantastic.
we made, Aries, oh my gosh. Mine
Dude,
is
my
amazing.
M4 wasn't that bad. I think the way you tuned your
Well,
M4
it's
was.
because I tuned it. But dude, I'm telling you the way I tuned it.
Hold on,
my
John. Let me
ADS
see
is good,
yours.
Dude, I could beam people far away.
Dude, yours
Thank
is
you, Johns.
yours is about the same as. Oh my god. Yeah, that is pretty bad.
Thank you, John.
Hostiles dropping into the area.
This is even
Dropping
slower than
in.
mine, yeah.
On loadout.
He's about to get beamed as soon as he stands up.
That
Oh
poor
my
guy.
god, dude.
Somebody got all my
three
ammo, by the
three
way.
Yeah, I
RPKs. Dude, that was hilarious.
If you drop it, it should. Oh, that's
Pass on
annoying.
my AR. I'll trade it. You.
Yeah.
You can have some though.
I just gave you all mine.
Did we loot? Should we loot this building next to us?
Here,
I might.
take
I
some.
might
of it
try
in.
and loot the guy that we just killed. I need AR.
I'm gonna loot the building next to us.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a quick loot too.
Someone looted
Enemy
this.
lost track of you.
Someone actually did loot this.
Not this one. You wanna loot the bottom of this one, Aries?
Well, someone looted the bottom of the. Actually, no. Shit, they probably.
Let's make it a 3 plate and everything.
He probably got it in
Yeah,
the.
yeah,
gu-
no,
He's probably
RPK
from the gulag.
chopper.
I'm hoping that there are some plates on this.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Oh, there's a safe cracker right in here.
Oh, I got
There's 2
a.
safe crackers in the same building. How
I just
cool
got
is
another
that?
UAV.
I have a portable radar.
I have 2
How did you
UAVs.
get upstairs? Where's the
Trying to get
staircase?
Trying to get a freaking backpack.
Backpack, backpack,
John, they
backpack.
over here, I think.
Are you sure that wasn't me?
Nope, I'm pretty sure it was them. It was opposite of you.
Do you just want to come
Came
back?
back to our
Oh
building.
no.
He was above us? Oh.
Hostile UAV in the area. Your squad mate was sent to the gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
How did he get above us?
That one fell off. It didn't land all the way up.
I see him. How is he still alive?
I don't know. He can't get in the car. Alright, Kev, we can watch you. Yeah, you can. Oh, wait, no, you can't because you hit it once. There should be another one that was relatively close, though, right? Yeah, the guy is. Well, no. We downed him. You could actually. Oh, no, this guy's.
There's a whole team right here flying in. Behind that house.
Oh, fuck.
Your stuff's probably safe as long as you didn't loot it.
I got my RPK and I got my handguns. Check.
I don't have shit for ammo. I'm not gonna shoot anyone else, dude.
Me neither.
I have good SMG for this, but I don't have any AR. I have 100. Oh shit, launcher. I don't need that. Oh, boat coming over here.
Back was my free play.
Guys landing on load.
These guys definitely see me. I'd love to loot him, but I doubt he has anything.
Kev, you want to loot that body?
Moving.
Oh yeah.
There's two teams over here. One's at the house, one's at the hill. They're fighting. One moved over to this house.
Someone just came. Yeah, they're fighting down in there. They're getting pushed from the team. I think the team from the hill just came down to the original house, and the team in the original house moved over to the right house because they just smoked across. Yeah, we gotta save.
Yeah, it's all gone.
I only shot that dude because he was an easy kill.
I'm almost out of ammo too.
Wish there was fucking fully loaded.
I mean, there's a buy over here and there's a buy station over here.
I think we don't try and use it unless we have to. Unless we have to move.
Ammo.
If we have to move across the river towards that buy station up north, though, I think we go as soon as we know. Because we can always buy a muni box. Kev can buy a...
Do we want to loot this?
Or do we hit the train?
This area?
Do we hit
Oh
the
my
train
god, dude. If we do hit the train, we can get free full ammo.
Alright, see you boys there.
Yeah. Definitely been hit
Oh,
already.
they're smoking.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Nice.
The stairwell is on this corner of the building, by the way.
Yeah, I saw it. Thanks.
Okay. Dude, that was so clutch that the
Taking a
train
ladder,
came.
He's a madman.
Oh, they're gonna have to come to us. People across. Too bad you put. Oh, you did put that in the mat, dude. You are such a dick. That's one fucking kill.
I don't even know how you type in
Press
chat.
start. Go over to your social. Press on your squad. The match in progress.
And then press over.
Pick the right bumper and it's text chat right there. I had to Google it.
But then you have to switch because it defaults a team. You have to hit R3 to switch it to match.
Your team has entered the
They
safe zone.
made that so complicated.
I don't know.
I can't believe there's still no like stats for Warzone. You can't view your stats. Ow!
Oh, they're down here.
Stay low.
Well, I hit him once.
Running back.
Enemy marked.
Do you hear how many smoke grenades are popping off down there? What the fuck is that?
Fuck is that?
Look at all those people. I gotta put my sniper back on. Feel
The
lost
best is when
without
you get
it.
a backpack, you can have all three, bro.
Still a team over here at this house.
Yeah, well, we may have to move that way and fight them, or we just go high left,
Oh, we're
take this
good.
hill over here.
Oh, hey, open right here.
Mortar strike.
I'm getting. I'm just gonna jump down in the bedroom temporarily.
Ouch.
Claymore's gone. I do not like how long mortar strikes last.
It's a long time.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that! We got zone.
Now it's a ghost town.
Oh, that's huge. Ow! Damn.
They're crossing right now in this truck. Oh, they're about to get fucked up, dude. Nice. They're about to get fucked up by that team, right? Isn't there another team?
They're probably like, that Ares guy, bro, he's hacking.
There's a team over here still. Oh, I'm flying through this ammo. This
I still have 2 UAVs. Yeah, I'm not shooting anymore. I'm only shooting the people that are wide out in the open. I'm ready for people to come swimming across. Someone's gotta.
For that mortar strike, I forced the guy to go to the right over here.
Oh, they can actually sit. They can actually sit in that building. They don't have to come across yet.
Oh god. First stage there.
Sorry, what?
Huh?
That down beam in this corner I'm sitting in right now.
They pull up my Claymore.
He's in the bottom of our building. He
Oh,
just ran in.
Yep.
No.
I don't see where he went.
He's right below, he's right under here now.
Oh, he's got
Two of
2.
them.
Oh, there's 2 of them.
Oh, they're staying in there.
Gas is inbound.
Oh my god, dude, we're chilling.
Finally.
Alright, I'm gonna watch those other houses because there's got to be a bunch of people coming from across the road, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're probably gonna try and take these
Smoking
houses
this
right next
house.
to us.
Oh, one's in this house right here. He just jumped out. I'm not gonna beam him until they're out in the open.
Famesies.
This guy's just running out in the open. Where's he going? He's doing a long rotation. Man, they're like just in it right now.
Yeah, they're just chilling in that gas station with their mine.
Do we see anyone else coming across the river?
They're looking at gas station right now. Outside, bottom right corner.
Your team has entered the safe zone.
Everyone's already across, I guess.
Nope, there's a guy right here.
Cancel last.
No, that's what I mean from behind,
And a
though.
guy
Yeah.
right here.
Oh, left side. He's on the roof next to us.
Broken. He's retreating. Trying to revive. There we go.
That was the
that
lower.
down?
That was the lower guy. No, the other guy's still over here. Other one's still right
They're
here.
fighting behind us by load.
You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
He just jumped
Hit him
up.
there with that.
I think he left. He went inside, maybe.
I'll find out. We got okay.
Team right here on
Fighting
this
at
thing.
the gas station.
Oh,
Cracked in there.
He's
yeah.
gonna have to
Focus
move
on them.
soon.
I'm gonna watch this guy on the roof, alright?
Yeah. He's coming right side, John.
Team made it to the safe zone. Hostile cluster mine active.
I got smoke missing.
Almost all full team still.
Only 10 are left.
Blue team, 6 people.
Requesting recon flyover.
Above us.
There has to be a ghosted team in the gas station, right?
Yeah.
Yep, they're ghosted in gas station.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone. Hostile airstrike incoming.
Airstrike on us. They're still below us. Oh no.
Somebody already did it.
I got another one downed.
Do you have a gas mask, Kev?
No.
Me neither.
Requesting recon flyover.
Okay.
Fuck, man. Nice.
Pushing for gas right now, 2 of them.
Got it. To your
One through
left.
left there, over there. One more, 1v1.
Right, close. Got a stun. Or a flash. May have wrapped early.
Be advised.
Nope, he's in there.
Exiting the AO.
You have semis.
Fucking
Undefeated
god.
Let's go! Aries for the win.
Are you kidding me?
Dude.
Oh my god.
I'm so turned on right now.
Those guns just shredded that guy. Dude, I kept getting the high alert pings left and right, and I'm like, what the fuck is this?
Oh, I'm so freaking horny.
Look at that first game that John doesn't time out of, dub.